let's take a look at the move out process. Move outs are triggered when an owner or a tenant chooses not to renew the lease or when a tenant breaks their lease. The move out process can be broken down into 2 active stages and 2 outcomes. Each stage includes the steps of the process that must be completed before moving to the next stage. The scheduling pre-move out stage includes steps such as confirming the 30-day notice has been received, scheduling the move out date, notifying the owner of the move out date, updating the tenant and property in your PM software, and sending the tenant the move out date and instructions. At that point, the process moves into the post-move out stage. After the move out, confirm you've collected the keys and that the tenant has returned the self-inspection, perform your own move out inspection, charge any tenant responsible repairs to the security deposit, return the security deposit or charge for additional repairs, rekey the property, email the owner with the next steps, start the make-ready process, or start the management cancellation process. Then the process moves into the tenant moved out stage. If the move out was canceled at any point, the process can move into the move out canceled stage. Make sure to have the due dates of every task be relative to the move out date. And don't forget to utilize email templates and automation as well. And remember that this template is completely customizable to make it fit your move out process.